Hi everyone, Letty here. I have something a little different today. We're going to smash a kit. This is the Maggie Holmes Woodland Grove 560 piece card kit that I picked up at Joann's. We're going to make 20 cards. Welcome back everyone. So I had picked up this Woodland Grove card kit from Joann's. It's by Maggie Holmes. It's really super cute. I also picked up the coordinating sticker sheet that goes with the collection. So I'm going to do a little bit of a close-up. Here's just a quick snapshot of what comes in this kit. I will open it up and show you all of the pieces. And then here's just a close-up of the stickers. You get 80 stickers. Really cute. It goes with the collection. This is also available at Joann's. And if you don't have it at your local store, you can always order it online. You can use coupons. They've always have a bunch of online promo codes and things like that. So this was just a sticker sheet. I went ahead and got this just to throw it in, just in case I needed it. But let's see what comes in this kit. So it does have enough items to make 20 cards. And so you've got 5 different designs of card bases. You've got stickers, you've got washi, envelopes, and then you also have some glue dots, and you also have ephemera pieces. So here are the items. It comes with a ton of really cute ephemeras, and they're actually pretty thick, and they are perfect for layering on the cards. Here is a still shot of what comes in that ephemera pack, really cute. And then we have our card bases, and these bases are really thick. I feel like it's maybe like 120 pound. It's really, really solid, thick cardstock. I'll show you the designs. So these are the different designs that you get. You get 5 different designs, 4 of each. So this is the first floral one. Then you have like a marble color with like a gold metallic marbling. You have like a gingham or like a plaid, real pretty, like a teal. And then you have like a graph paper in pink with a little floral design on the corner. Super cute. And then you have a black and white, really soft, real pretty rose floral print as well. So those are the designs of the card bases. And then you have some double-sided adhesive squares. So these are the little sticky squares that you can use to pop up your items. I've got some envelopes. So it comes with 20 envelopes as well with this kit. And then it comes with some washi strips. So these are just like little washi stickers or washi strips that you can use. And I will be using these in today's cards as well. I'm going to try to smash this kit. I'm going to make some cards. You see there, they come in 2 different widths. So there's some skinnier ones and then thicker ones. And then you've got sticker sheets. You've got 4 sticker sheets. These are the 4 sticker sheets that come with the kit. Really cute. You got sentiments, lots of sentiments, and then lots of floral patterns as well. So that's the Woodland Grove card kit by Maggie Holmes that I picked up at Joann's. And again, I brought in the additional sticker sheet. We'll see if I use it. Okay, so I've already laid out my kit. I have 1 of each of the 5 card designs just to kind of show you again those 5 different designs. I have all of my items laid out that I will be using. And then the first step that I'm doing is I'm bringing in some craft construction paper that I picked up at my local store. It's a little lighter than cardstock. I have torn it. It's very like fibrous. And so I like to have just a torn edge on it. And I have just torn some of the paper and I'm going to add it as a layer on all of my card bases. That's my first step because these are going to be assembly line cards. I don't think I mentioned that, but these are assembly line cards. So I've already torn my last few. I'm going to go ahead and glue them. They are now glued with the magic of technology. So I have all of my little torn craft mats already on the fronts of my cards. The next step is I'm going to cut these cut apart sheets. So I did pick up some of the sheets of paper at Joann's and they did come with several cut apart sheets. I'm going to cut these down, just some of the cut aparts, cut them down, and I'm going to layer them on the fronts of my cards to go right over these craft mats. So I've already cut everything up. These are what I have left over. I'm going to use those for the rest of the cards, but I just wanted to show you an idea. I just picked a few pieces of the cut aparts or the ephemera, some of the tags. You've got large tags, small tags, and I am just layering them just where I see that it's somewhat pleasing. And you don't have to cover up the entire area because once we start adding stickers and ephemera, you're going to find that you have plenty of decoration on those cards. So here's what the first round kind of looks like, or I guess the next round after the craft mats. So you see here, I just used what I had. I only used, I think it was 2 sheets of cut aparts. I cut them down and I just used every single one of them. And as I'm going through, you see I'm kind of getting kind of skimpy on my cut aparts because that's just what I had. I didn't use any additional ones. And look at that one. We're going to make it work. Don't worry. We're going to make it work. Okay, so I've already laid all of my cut aparts to the fronts of the cards. The last step I'll do is I'm going to add in these ephemera pieces. I'm going to pop them up with that foam dimensional tape. I will also add in some of the stickers and I might even use some of the larger stickers that I had purchased. We'll see if I do or not. They come with from the collection. Also, they just didn't come in this kit. I purchased them separately. And then I'm also going to be using this washi. And I will tell you, the washi is the next step that I'll do. I'll layer the washi first, just a tiny bit with some glue. And then I finished embellishing with the remaining items. So this is the Woodland Grove card kit by Maggie Holmes that I picked up at Joann's. I did use a coupon to get this a lot cheaper. I think it was $8.99. I used a coupon. I think I got it like half off. Here's what comes in the kit. I did a full preview of that at the beginning. I ended up not using this sticker sheet. So I just saved it for a future project. I just used what came in the kit. I still have my envelopes that I'll end up using to go with the coordinating cards that I just made. And then I did have a little bit of the dimensional tape left over, so it comes with plenty. I did use up all of the washi, and I used up pretty much all of the stickers. So I used up 2 full sheets, and then I had 2 sheets that had 1 sticker each. That's it. I had 2 stickers left out of all of those items. So I'm considering this kit smashed because, of course, the envelopes will go to the cards. So I'm considering it smashed. I made 20 cards. These are A2 size. I did bring in some gemmies. This is Aurora Borealis by Honeybee Stamps. I picked that up at Not Too Shabby a while back. So I just brought in some gemmies just to add a little bit of extra dimension and kind of an extra little embellishment you see there. I did add the washi. We had our craft mat. I popped up the ephemera pieces on that foam dimensional tape. I added the stickers. I still have a little bit of that left over, but it's pretty neat how it kind of gives some dimension to your card very easily. And it's not very thick. I think it's probably like half the size of the one from Dollar Tree, just if you're looking for a comparison. So here are my cards. Now, one thing I do want to mention is I think I'm going to go ahead and put these cards in my Etsy store. I will have an Etsy restock coming up. I don't have it yet, but what I'll do is I'll do a video where I show all the items that I'll be putting in my Etsy restock or my Etsy store for a restock. And then I think I've also sort of started to make some Maggie Holmes kits, paper crafting kits that I'll also throw into my Etsy shop as well. So stay tuned for that. I'll have a video. Make sure you hit that bell so that way you can get notified once that video does come out. Here are all of my super fun cards using this kit. I think they turned out great. And as you can tell, I just layered to my heart's content. And I think it just kind of works. So I think you definitely should try this kit if you haven't already, but you maybe were interested in trying a card kit. This was a great one to start off with. It comes with all the things that you would need, including the foam dimensional tape. You do have to bring in your own additional glue, but otherwise you can make 20 A2 size cards with the one Woodland Grove card kit that is, again, by Maggie Holmes, purchased at Joann's. And again, I'm going to have my Etsy restock coming up soon. I hope this gives you some inspiration for using this kit. Thanks for visiting, everyone. I hope you subscribe, like this video, follow me on Instagram. Here are a couple videos I think you might enjoy. And as always, happy crafting.